Hello guys, Messi from Kaysan IT Solutions is here, and today we are gonna have a quick look at WordPress dashboard components. We want to just get familiar with WordPress dashboard components and get ready to install the amazing theme and create the wonderful website. So here is the four most important components that we will work on them later a lot. Setting, appearance, pages, and plugins. Okay, let's get started. As I showed you in previous video, we installed the XAMPP WordPress locally in our computer, and now we installed the WordPress, and now we are going to open the website. So to open the website, go to your browser and type localhost slash your website name that we call it my gym, and your website is ready. This one is a default theme of WordPress, and now it's a face of your website. Now we are gonna go to back end of your website and the dashboard, WordPress dashboard, where we do a lot of changes over there. So in your browser, just type wp-admin and you will be here in login page. You know the username password is the same as you choose when you were installing WordPress. Just log in and you will be inside the dashboard. Okay, in the left side you can see a lot of components, and among them, as I told you, setting, appearance, pages, and plugins are the most important, and we will work on them a lot. So in setting, if you click on that, you can see general, writing, reading, and some other components. And just stay on general page. In general page, site title, you can change the site title. First of all, just let me show you something. On the top left side, if you click on that one, you can see visit site. Just right click on that and open link in new tab, and here you can see your website. So whenever you make some changes here, you can come here, refresh the site, and see the changes over here. Okay, in site title, you can change the my favorite site to my favorite gym, and tagline, you can just type it's a gym website. Okay, and we can save the changes here, and that's it. For reading, let's go to reading page. In reading page, your homepage displays. We need to choose a static page, and then homepage we can choose like a sample page here. And when we are gonna, if we want to create a website from scratch for ourselves, we need to do these changes. And in permalink, you can see the options that it shows in the address of the different pages of your website, and it's better to choose this one because when you go in different pages in your website, you can see the name of a page here, so it's easier to keep track of everything. And save it. The next component we are going to talk about is appearance, and in appearance is actually the most important component in WordPress. You can see theme, you can choose a theme or add new one. You see widgets, menu, and customize. And customize give you some the flexibility to work on your website when you are seeing that, like it's visualizing here. So you can choose whichever you want, wherever you want to work, and make changes here. And you can see a lot of different options you have here to make some changes, and when you are done, you can just click on publish or close this one and get back to your dashboard. Okay, and in widgets, widget area, you can see the widget area you have here is footer 1, footer 2, and block sidebar, and there's a lot of widget available here. You can drag and drop like categories here, like gallery here, and make some changes over here. We will get back to all of them later. And in menu, you can create menu whatever you want, and create menu and just put add different items to your menu. And the next component is pages. Actually here, because it's now we have just a very fresh WordPress and we didn't install any template and theme on that, so there is not a lot of pages here. But later when we install our theme, you can see a lot of pages, so we will get back to everything later. And in plugins, plugins are just like simple software, just attach to your WordPress and give more functionality to your WordPress. And right now, because it's just a fresh WordPress, we don't have much plugins, but when we install our favorite theme, we would need to install a new plugins. Yeah, that's it. So it's just a quick introduction to WordPress and the most important component. Never forget these 4 components: setting, appearance, pages, and plugins, and we will get back to them very fast, very soon. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will install a professional free WordPress theme and work on it. And thank you for watching and have a good day.